Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to learn something that we are never taught about. 12 years of school, 4 years of college, we learned about parallelograms and protons. But when it comes to managing our minds, our money, or our future, there was silence. You graduated knowing the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but didn't know how to file taxes, handle a panic attack, or write a solid resume. It wasn't your fault. The system was never designed for that. And now we are all paying the price. They drilled into us the date of the French Revolution, but didn't teach us how to communicate in high pressure situations. We memorized the formulas, but never learned how to learn. We wrote essays, but weren't shown how to speak, persuade, or listen. School was just about passing, not about preparing. And that gap, it's what holding so many back in jobs, in relationships, in confidence. Think about it. So many people are anxious, not because they are broken, but because they were never taught how to understand or process emotions. They are drowning in debt, not because they are irresponsible, but because no one ever explained credit, interest, or budgeting. They are stuck in toxic jobs with toxic relationships because they weren't taught boundaries, negotiations, or how to think critically. We were trained to obey, not to own our lives. And the cost? It's emotional, it's financial, it's generational. The most successful people, they are not the ones who aced every test. They are the ones who realized early on that school wasn't enough. They taught themselves how to connect with others, how to manage their minds, how to spot opportunities, and how to think in systems. They read books no one assigned. They practice skills no one graded. They realized life isn't a classroom, it's a game. And to win it, you need to play by different rules. Steve Jobs didn't succeed because of calculus. He dove deep into calligraphy, design, and intuition, things school would have called unnecessary. Oprah built an empire on emotional intelligence, not algebra. Naval Ravikant rewrote the rules of wealth, not through an MBA, but by questioning everything he was taught. These people didn't wait for a curriculum. They created their own. And that is what changed everything. It's not too late. You don't need a new degree. You need a new direction. Start with your emotions. They are your internal GPS. Understand how money works. Even just the basics will put you ahead of most. Learn how to learn visual, audio, tactile. Once you master that, everything accelerates. And start talking with clarity, confidence, and curiosity. They aren't just soft skills, they are life skills. And once you have them, life gets a whole lot easier. It's easy to feel like we missed the memo, that life came with the manual and somehow we didn't get it. But the truth is, most of us didn't. And that's okay, because now you know. And knowing that, that's power. The world is changing fast. The people who win now aren't the ones with the highest GPA. It's the one who keep learning, unlearning, and evolving. You don't have to stay trapped in what school didn't give you. You can give it to yourself, starting now. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you wish school had taught you, but didn't? Drop it in the comments below. Let's build a library of lessons we are still learning together. If this resonated, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more life lessons no one taught us. But we are teaching each other. I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.